Section 70 of 15,000 Useful Phrases by Grenville Kleiser, read for LibriVox.org by Stephen Lamb, Leicester, England. E. Earth, air, stars and sea. Efficient, forcible, adequate and potent. Emaciated, scraggy, meagre and attenuated. Ceaseless, immutable and imperishable. Energy, eagerness, earnestness and enthusiasm. Enhance, exalt, elevate and intensify. Enormous, base, prodigious and colossal. Enrage, incense, infuriate and exasperate. Enthusiasm, devotion, intensity and zeal. Envy, discontent, deception and ignorance. Equitable, reasonable, just and honest. Equivocal, uncertain, cloudy and ambiguous. Eradicate, extirpate, exterminate and annihilate. Erroneous, faulty, inaccurate and inexact. Eternal, unchangeable, unerring and intelligent. Evil, misfortune, corruption and disaster. Exacting, suspicious, irritable and wayward. Exalt, dignify, elevate and extol. Examination, inquiry, scrutiny and research. Exceed, outdo, surpass, ascend. Exceptional, uncommon, abnormal and extraordinary. Excitement, distraction, diversion and stimulation. Exhaustive, thorough, radical and complete. Expend, dissipate, waste and squander. F. Facile, showy, cheap and superficial. Faithful, truthful, loyal and trustworthy. Fame, distinction, dignity and honour. Fanatic, enthusiast, visionary and zealot. Fanciful, unreal, fantastic and grotesque. Fancy, humour, vagary and caprice. Fashion, practice, habit and usage. Fastidious, proud, gracious and poised. Fate, fortune, contingency and opportunity. Fatuous, dreamy, moony and impracticable. Fear, timidity, cowardice and pusillanimity. Feeble, languid, timid and irresolute. Ferocious, restive, savage and uncultivated. Fervent, enthusiastic, anxious and zealous. Fiction, fancy, falsehood and fabrication. Fine, fragile, delicate and dainty. Firmness, steadfastness, stability and tenacity. Flash, flame, flare and glare. Flat, insipid, tame and monotonous. Fluctuating, hesitating, vacillating and oscillating. Folly, foolishness, imbecility and fatuity. Foolhardy, hasty, adventurous and reckless. Fop, coxcomb, puppy and jackanapes. Force, vigour, power and energy. Formal, precise, stiff and methodical. Fortunate, happy, prosperous and successful. Fragile, frail, brittle and delicate. Freedom, familiarity, liberty and independence. Frightful, fearful, direful and dreadful. Frivolous, trifling, petty and childish. Fruitful, fertile, prolific and productive. Fruitless, vain, trivial and foolish. Frustrate, defeat, disappoint and thwart. Fully, completely, abundantly and perfectly. Furious, impetuous, boisterous and vehement. G. Gaiety, merriment, joy and hilarity. Gallant, ardent, fearless and self-sacrificing. Garnish, embellish, beautify and decorate. Generous, candid, easy and independent. genius, intellect, aptitude and capacity. Genteel, refined, polished and well-bred. Gentle, persuasive, effective and simple. Genuine, true, unaffected and sincere. Ghastly, grim, shocking and hideous. Jibe, mock, taunt and jeer. Giddy, fickle, flighty and thoughtless. Gleam, glimmer, glance and glitter. Gloomy, dismal, dark and dejected. Glorious, noble, exalted and resplendent. Glut, gorge, cloy and satiate. Good, safe, venerable and solid. Government, law, order and organisation. Grand, stately, dignified and pompous. Grave, contemplative, reserved and profound. Great, joyous, strong and triumphant. Greed, avarice, covetousness and cupidity. Gross, academic, vulgar and indiscriminate. End of section 70. This recording is in the public domain.